how you earn your money. It's not that the purpose is not to how to earn money, but the purpose is to earn halal money and not haram money. Because if you earn halal money, there will be barakah and the food will grow up to your body, halal body. Halal body can go to paradise. But the body which will grow up in a haram income will be a haram body and it will go to hellfire. So you need to be sure that the money you earn, it should be halal and not haram. And where you spend your money. Because for example, in the Quran Allah said, La tubadir innal mubadhirina kanu ikhwana ash-shayatin. Don't be extravagant. Surely the extravagants are the brothers of shaitan. Or the women, sisters of shaitan. Extravagance is a very bad thing. Example, you have one bag and then you want to buy another bag and another bag and another bag. Allah will question you on the day of judgment. Why you wasted your money? This money can be helped to the poor people. You have one shoes and two shoes. One formal shoes, one casual shoe, and one sport shoes. You have three shoes now. Why you need to buy another shoes now? When you have three kind of different shoes. One for formal shoes, one for casual shoes, and the other one is sport shoes. And yet you go to the mall and you buy another shoes just you like it. Then you are answered that on the day of judgment. Even the children, when they have a toys and they throw their toys, they are not taking care of their toys. Allah will question them for this. Rather you are wasting your toy, you can give it to the poor also. Give it away to the poor. Rather you will just wasting it and throwing in the garbage. So we are very important thing, how we earn money and how we spend it. We are not allowed to extravagance. Example, when we were young children, our parents taught us, whatever food you get in the plate, you must eat it. And don't get too much that you cannot finish it, because if you will not finish your food, then Allah will question you on the day of judgment. When I was young child, my mother teach me, even the one grain of rice I cannot waste. She teach me that my plate should be very clean and shiny. It means I am finishing all of my food. So that's very important thing. When I was a child, I learned not to waste the food. And then my mother told me also, even if you are wasting the food, even a small part, Allah will question you on the day of judgment, why you waste this food. Like example, there was 4 men from Pakistan. They went to Germany. They went to the restaurant and they ordered lots of food. The table was full of food. And they eat some food and many of the food were left over on the table. And they were going out after paying the bill. There's an old lady. She noticed that they have so many food left over. She called to the police and the police came right away. And then these 4 men, the one from Pakistan, they were apprehended by the police, and the police asked them, why you wasted so many food? This food was supposed to be eaten by the other people. You can order only what you want to eat. So you are wasting the food, and then wasting the food in Germany is a big crime. So they were given this warning, and they were paid some penalty, the fine, and they were not put in the jail. And that is what Islam teaches us, not to waste anything, because when you earn something, it should be halal. And when you buy something, it should be halal. It should not be wasted. And it should be halal also, not you earn money halal, but you wasting in the gambling. You earn money halal, but you are doing bad things with that income. Or you are spending in haram things. So these are the things which we are in today. We are going to answer everything on the day of judgment. Malik Yawmiddin, Allah is the honor of the judge of the day of judgment. And He will question us every moment. If what you are watching, what you are listening, what are you thinking, what is in your heart, what your hands is doing, what your feet are doing, where your feet are going towards, this all will be questioned, and our hands and our words and our organs will testify on the day of judgment. So we need to be worried about it. We are in an examination. We need to pass that exam, that we can go in the next life for paradise and not in the hellfire. May Allah guide us. Ameen.